Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're running a WordPress website, your logo is one of the first things visitors notice. And today I'm going to show you the fastest and easiest way to change the logo in your WordPress header, step by step, so you can give your site a fresh new look in just a few minutes. Let's get right into it. First, head over to wordpress.com in your browser. On the top right, you'll see the login button. Click that. For most people, the quickest way to sign in is by selecting Continue with Google, then choosing the Google account linked to your WordPress website. Once you're logged into your dashboard, look over at the menu on the left-hand side. Scroll down until you find Appearance and then click on it. From there, select Customize. This will open up the WordPress Customizer, which is where we'll be making the change. Inside the Customizer, look for the option called Site Identity. Go ahead and click on it. This section controls your site's title, tagline, and most importantly, your logo. Now you'll see the logo or site icon option. If you already have a logo uploaded, you'll see it there. To change it, just click on Remove or Change Image. A file upload window will pop up. Browse your computer and select your new logo file. Make sure the file is high quality, preferably a PNG with a transparent background, so it looks clean on your site. Once it's uploaded, WordPress will let you crop and adjust it. When you're happy with the preview, click Publish at the top of the Customizer, and that's it. Your new logo is now live in the header of your WordPress site. So in just a couple of minutes, we logged in, went into the Customizer, swapped the old logo for a new one, and published the changes. Super quick and painless. And here's a pro tip. If you ever update your branding again, you'll know exactly where to go to swap out your logo. No need to mess with code or complicated settings. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more step-by-step WordPress guides. And drop a comment below if you'd like me to cover more customization tips in future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.